Hello, this is George Senda, the real, authentic, official, original, the one, the only, the official. If I haven't said that already, because all day I've been trying to wake up and I'm not awake, even though I woke up at 9 o'clock. Anyway, it's me, the guy from Pittsburgh. And this is Burgh Box, and of course I already examined it to make sure that there's no lethal weapons in here, noxious gases, potions, devices, implements of mass destruction. So we have another gift from the mystery lady, whose name I will not say. I know who she is. But thank you, mystery lady. Although I'm not certain why you sent this second thing to me, because I looked it up and it does absolutely nothing. Even though somebody put a funny comment and review on Amazon saying what she did with it. I'll tell you about that in a minute. All right, first we have. Now this one arrived with the bottom open, which is odd. The only issue that Kathy and I have is we are really tired of Pokemon because Ash Ketchum, every time he calls for a Pokemon, here goes something on the floor. He uses him exclusively. We wish he'd use some other Pokemon. We're tired of him in general because he's the mascot for Pokemon, but this is a pop Pokemon Pikachu figure. So I don't hate Pokemon. I don't hate Pikachu, although I'm very tired of hearing about Pokemon from Kathy, the woman obsessed. If I can find Pokemon toilet paper and Pokemon she found one day some stuff she has found on this, and she's with some site that guy gets really old Pokemon stuff and unboxes it on YouTube. He gets thousands of views. She doesn't understand where he's getting them. She's envious. This one I kind of like, with the ears turned differently. I actually like there's this other kind of Pikachu that I don't remember the name. I think there's one or two of them, Electro Pikachu or something, and it's different. I know his tail doesn't move. I would have had the tail move. But there he is. So I'm running out of room here. I'm running out of room for creatures. And I put there went Spock. I just knocked Spock to the ground. Now Vulcan will declare war on me. There goes the Valentine's card. I put the earthquake sticky stuff. Paul told me it is dentist wax to hold the TARDIS up and to hold the other items so they don't fall every time I turn around with this damn chair. I hope that in the next month I can get the bedroom cleaned up so I can start redoing videos in the bedroom again. Okay, the back of this box, he looks like he's in a tornado of electricity. There's the side of the box on one side, the side of the box on the other. No, I like the Funko toys. We go to a comic book store and they've got tons of them, but I don't think I have any. So to the best of my knowledge, Kathy has a lot of these. So thank you for this. And the other item, I've already taken the plastic off. This is the Donald Trump Magic Wand Abracadabra Trump 2020 merchandise, but it does nothing. Now, I don't know if there's a commentary on the president or it's supposed to be good, but the lady on Amazon said she got this. She had a stack of dishes. She pointed to the dishes. They were clean. The dog was barking. She pointed at the dog. The dog stopped barking. Now, I have done magic a little bit, but I'm not exactly dexterous. And at one time, I acted as a gopher and assistant at a magic theater called the Magic Cellar in San Francisco at Earthquake Magoons, and I had to handle all the props and the birds and the bunnies and the doves and whatever else was there, mice, you name it. So it kind of ruined magic for me because I got to see how all the tricks were done. And the only one I can't figure is how someone like David Copperfield makes the Statue of Liberty appear and disappear, a Greyhound bus. I know how they do the elephant trick. So this is the abracadabra magic wand. If only it worked on online trolls and trollish YouTube posters, it would be wonderful. And maybe I could wave the wand and real bins of gold and silver would appear in there I could use to money and a new Mac. Yeah, go down to the Apple store, wave the wand, and they give me the new Mac Pro, $52,000, the new iPad, the new MacBook, and go to the pizza parlor and say, hit the clerk and say, I want free pizza for life. Not hard, just boink, free pizza. Go to the Bank of America, deposit $30 gazillion into my bank account, But there you go. You can tap out shaving a haircut. So thank you for this, I think. Now I looked in there to make sure it didn't have glitter in it, or it's just got an elastic string, but one side is more stringy than the other, more tensile. But there's nothing in there, so it's a safe item. I'm not sure what I'll do with this. I've never had a magic wand, so if only it was. I would also wave the wand, abracadabra, alakazam, and make homelessness disappear, poverty, pollution, crazed leftist Democrats, homeless dogs and kitties, cancer, AIDS, syphilis, all the social diseases, and leukemia, Tay-Sachs, sickle cell, diabetes, kidney disease. Wave the magic wand and all of it would go away. Okay, so this is George Senda, and that hurt my arm. Every time I do something with this right arm, I told my rotator cuff it hurts. Even something as light as this. Just my body said, you can't do that. And by the way, this little brick for the phone does work. It's very interesting. So, my friend Paul does not have a cell phone. He refuses to get a cell phone. He said he's not a drone or robot or something like that. Very odd behavior. Maroney had no cell phone either, but only 20% of Americans do not own a cell phone. And Maroney and Paul were very vehement about. Maroney was very vehement about not getting a cell phone. I think he finally had. Oh wait a minute, he did have one in the last year of his life because his wife made him get one for emergency purposes, and that's why I got one. And at the end of the month, the new phone will be activated. By the way, since I'm here, let's see. Keep forgetting which button is to turn on. Okay. Homeless couple moved into a $4 million Piedmont house. That's interesting. All right, let's see. Okay, we have here Final Fantasy, Bank of America, Weather Channel, Lyft, Firefox, Prime Video, Amazon Shopping, AppMax, Solitaire, Wish, eBay, Fox News, Grubhub, Kitco. There's the first apps. I'm not well you're going to see these. And then we'll change the screen. We have Newsbreak, Robinhood, Skype Lite, Skype, my TrackPhone, Uber Driver, which I can't get Uber to work, Finance, Fandango, Regal, Weather and Radar, Axos Invest, Experian, Pluto TV, Webbo, Ameritrade, Hotels.com, and then third screen, Target, BP, Shell, Google Play, Credit Karma, MyFICO, Twitter, Free TV, McDonald's, Expedia. I don't eat McDonald's, but Kathy does. Walmart, Bed Bath & Beyond, Best Buy, CNBC, QVC, Home Depot, Costco, Amazon Assistant, and Chevron. That's all those gasoline ones are for buying gasoline. Avast Secure Line, Avast Mobile Security, and Postmates. So other than the regular stuff that goes on here, the camera and Google Chrome and Google Photos and the phone ability, and there's some other things on here. Play Store. Oops. Google Drive, YouTube, Play Music, Maps, Play Movies and TV, and something called Duo, which I don't know what it is yet. That's what's on here. So that's what I've added. Some of the stuff I deleted. I deleted Google Play and I didn't know what it was. I had to put it back on. All right, that's it for this one. Thank you for the Pikachu and the wand. Where can I put the wand? I'll put it up by Kathy. Maybe I can restore Kathy to what she looked like when she was in high school with the magic wand. And me, wave it at my stomach and get rid of the fat. And get rid of the cravings for junk food. And give me the ability to fix my back and give me the ability to clean my apartment and wave the wand around, the entire apartment be clean and neat in 30 seconds. That would be a miracle. It'd just be magic wand. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe. And thank you for the gifts. And ow, that hurts. And I'll catch you next time. I got to stop doing that. Bye-bye for now.